So this is a pretty typical sort of 1990s bathroom, and I kind of know that because I was building these sorts of bathrooms back in the 1990s. And if you fast forward from then to now, there have been significant changes to the New Zealand Building Code around the control of internal moisture. That's E3 in the building code. So we're much more aware of what happens when moisture soaks into the substrate. We're much more aware of what happens when you don't ventilate spaces like this. We're much more aware of what happens if we don't do a good job underneath waterproofing. So I almost guarantee that there's no waterproofing underneath these tiles. Water will percolate through and into the flooring below. So this is a classic sort of 1990s shower, right? It's a 2-in-1 piece, it's a kit set. You basically just fit it into place and all of the waterproofing is inherent in it. Now with this project, because this shower is coming out and a tiled shower with waterproofing over a substrate is going to be installed, that always triggers the requirement for a building consent. I know a lot of people don't think about that. A lot of people don't go and get a building consent for that, but I can guarantee you it will trip you up whenever you come to sell the house in the future.